accept the spirit of this philosophy. So thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and like it and share it to the friends. I hope you enjoy and like this event.